guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan mayonnaise. I'm going to start off by getting the ingredients. I'm going to use sunflower oil, soy milk, fresh lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, salt, a garlic clove, and a pinch of white pepper. In a blender, we're going to pour the oil, the milk, and blend it until it's all combined in high speed. I'm going to scrape the sides, add the lemon, vanilla, and salt. Let it blend for a minute or two. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.